Hi, today I'd like you to join me in a collaboration hosted by Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic and Jessica from Measure and Mix. Okay, you guys, so what you're going to need for this project is glue. I went with the Gorilla Glue because it will dry clear so you won't see the residue on your acrylic. I'm using a square to ensure that your box is squared. A piece of plywood that you can color piece of plywood that you can paint any color that you want, or you can even put wallpaper over it. Acrylic. The acrylic is clear underneath this, but this is a blue protective paper. You're also going to need clamps to hold your box together while the glue dries. And like I said, if you want paint, paint is optional to paint your plywood. So I'm going to show you how I made the box. However, I did lose quite a bit of footage, so I'm going to walk you through the parts that I don't have a video for. Also, you can use tape. If you don't have the clamps, you can also use tape. Tape is optional. I glued the four corners together using the Gorilla Clear Glue, and I've also used the clamp to keep them in place. I let it sit for approximately 9-10 hours. I did this project before I went to work. After I came back from work, it was completely dry. What I'm doing here is I'm painting the plywood, and once that's dry, I'm just going to adhere the acrylic using the Gorilla Glue to the plywood, and then that'll be the completion of the box. I'm going to be using these vase fillers that I picked up at a garage sale. I got all 3 bags for $3, and I put that in the box to give an ice effect. I have to apologize for the light, and I'm really sorry, but as you can see, I'm putting the acrylic in the box, and then I'm also putting the different Christmas trees that I have. All these trees were bought either at 50 to 75% off, and the bling one I DIY'd. So once that is completed, I will then add some of the little fairy lights, and I'm adding more of the more of the vase fillers into the box. I'd like to thank Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic and Jessica from Measure and Mix for hosting this Centerpiece challenge. I'd also like to encourage you to go and look at the other participants. These ladies have some beautiful centerpieces. Once again, if you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And this is Carol from Inspiredby, and have yourself a great day.